Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and I just wanted to tell you about a book we designed called Pressing Reset for Kids. This is actually designed for school teachers to use in the classroom with their kids, but if you like kids, or if you have kids, or you not really sure if you like kids, but you think you might want to help kids move better, this book could be a useful tool for you as well. And basically, all it is the simple movements that your child can do to ensure that their body is tied together well so that they can move well, so that they can get the most out of their life and their education, because the better a child moves, the better that they can think, concentrate, remember things, and focus. Movement actually does help you learn. So this is, again, we designed this for teachers, but really anyone can use it. And yes, I know what you're thinking, pressing reset for kids, but the truth is this will also work for adults. But you know the rules, silly rabbit. These resets are for kids. All right. So I just wanted to tell you guys about this. You can get this on Amazon.com. That URL again is really complicated. It's Amazon.com. But I'll also put the link in the bottom if you're interested. So again, school teachers, this is for you. Parents, this is for you. People that like kids, or maybe you're unsure if you like them, but you're curious about kids, also for you. All right. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our channel. See you soon.